Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll try to fix this error, the kernel panic error. So I think what happened was I had a kernel update yesterday which failed, and I didn't had that much of a look. So when I try to boot the system today, and I'm stuck into this. So in today's video we'll try to fix that, and hopefully everything's work out, and then this should be gone. So now we just need to hard reboot. So just press the power button for some time. This should turn off your computer, and then after that just turn it back again. So once in this GRUB menu, we'll go to advanced options for Ubuntu, and as far as I think, the top one, 6.17.7 dash that is the most culprit kernel. So I think that's the most recent that has been updated to the system, and as far as I know, that is quite stable. So and below that, I think everything should be stable. So I think the most culprit one, I think it should be 6.17.7. So we'll just boot into that. So let the system load. Okay, so far so good. Our system has been loaded in the normal mode. So let's log in. It's quite hard to see because the mobile is just in front of my eye and it's really hard to type. But anyway, so once we are into the system, we'll just go into the terminal, and then we'll try to get remove of the old the new kernel version. So when you are in the terminal, we just need to see what our kernel is. So just write uname -r. It should show the running kernel, which is 6.8.0-88 generic. So now we'll list all the installed kernel packages. So we'll try to find the 6.17 version. So dpkg list Linux image, try to find all the kernels, Linux editors, then we'll grab that 6.17. Okay, so we'll try to remove that now. So what we'll do is we'll try to remove the broken kernel packages. So just need to update the packages. Then we'll purge that Linux kernel which is broken. And should be yeah, Linux kernel headers per version that. So that should be that Linux image. So let's copy that, and then we'll paste it there. then we'll also remove the header. So let's try this one. Then we'll remove, I think it should remove everything. It's a broken package anyway. So headers generic, and then we'll remove the unsigned image as well. Okay, after that we'll just write sudo apt, and then we'll fix the broken packages. So we'll remove the dependencies now. So sudo to remove. Now then we'll update our GRUB menu. So once the GRUB menu has been updated, we will just reboot the system and hopefully it should work. Cool, that is working. So let's log into the system again. Let's get to the terminal and then let's see the running kernel again. Yep, so I think it should be working and everything should be working as intended. Let's see if we have any broken packages left of that kernel. So let's again run the dpkg and then list and then linux image and then linux headers. Linux headers, and then we'll grab the version 6.17. Cool. So that should fix it, and hopefully that works for you as well. I will try to put every command that I have entered in this in the description or in the GitHub gist. So I will come up with something, and hopefully that works for you as well. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and that will really motivate me to make other videos like this. So yeah, if this video worked for you, please go through the other videos of mine, or I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.